Do you ever feel like eating healthy is just too complicated? Counting calories, avoiding carbs, skipping your favorite foods? What if I told you that small, simple changes could transform your health without the stress? Let's talk about how a few easy habits can give you big, lasting results. First, start with your breakfast. Studies show that people who eat a balanced breakfast with protein and fiber have 30% more energy throughout the day. So, swap your sugary cereal for oatmeal with fruit or eggs with whole grain toast. One small change, and your metabolism stays active all morning. Next, hydrate smarter. Around 75% of people don't drink enough water daily. Just drinking one extra glass of water before each meal can boost your metabolism by 24% for the next hour. Imagine that, no special diets, just water doing the work for you. Now, here's a game changer. Half your plate, fill with vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that protect your body from inflammation and disease. Adding a handful of greens to lunch and dinner can lower your risk of heart disease by 16%. Craving snacks? Don't fight it, upgrade it. Instead of chips, try air-popped popcorn or a handful of nuts. These are high in healthy fats and fiber, helping you feel full longer and keeping blood sugar steady. Research shows people who snack on nuts 5 times a week have a 14% lower risk of weight gain. Let's talk sugar, that sneaky troublemaker. Reducing just one sugary drink a day can cut your yearly calorie intake by almost 50,000 calories. That's equal to losing around 6 kilograms without even exercising more. And here's a surprising one. Slow down when you eat. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to realize you're full. Eating slowly can reduce your calorie intake by up to 10% per meal and improve digestion. Want glowing skin, more focus, and better sleep? It's not magic, it's balance. Eat more colorful fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Within 2 weeks, you'll start noticing more energy, better moods, and improved digestion. Remember, you don't need to change everything overnight. It's the small, consistent steps that create the biggest transformations. So start today, one meal, one swap, one glass of water at a time. Because when it comes to health, small changes really do lead to big results.